Hey guys, today we will be installing this second SSD in our Legion 5 Pro. What you will need is a PH000 screwdriver head. Let me focus on that. PH000, a prying tool, and a screwdriver. First off, we will need to unscrew these 4 screws in the bottom, 2 screws in the middle, and 4 screws in the back. Let's get started. I will put this here and start with the process. It is possible to break your electronics just by touching them, so it's important to ground yourself. For that, I have a working mat made out of silicone, a grounding bracelet that is connected to the metal leg of my desk, so that way I can work with my electronics safe. Now disconnect all the USB drives from your computer. So make sure that it doesn't have anything plugged in. Now that we take all 10 screws out, 4 in the bottom, 2 in the middle, and 4 up top, we will use our prying tool to pry this frame. You can start prying from the corners. It will be a bit easier for you. And after that, you will follow along the way. You can hear the clicks.
One eternity later.
Okay. Finally, got this. It looks very quality. So now guys, this and this are where the SSDs are. So I don't know which one is occupied, which one is free, so I will open both of them. Alright, this is the empty slot. I will put my new SSD here, but first I need to take out this screw. Take this out. Put your new SSD. Tighten the screw again. Push it down a little bit. Do not tighten it. Do not do it very tight. Just a little bit is enough. Put the lid back. And tighten everything back again. After this, put the lid back. Push it into place. Hear the clicks. Put the screws back. Now most probably you will not be able to see your new SSD in your file manager. For that, we need to go create and format disk partitions. This program. For here, you have to find your SSD and then click on your unallocated space. Right click, new simple volume, next, next, and assign the following drive letter. I would like to name this D drive. Next, and give it a name. I will call it backups. And click next. Finish. As you can see, now your new SSD is all set and ready to use.